Hey everybody, it's Troy from Do It Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. My voice might sound a little funny. I got a little gift from our town hall inspector Wednesday a week ago, and today is the first time back on my feet again. Walking around, looking around the Off-Grid homestead. A lot has happened here in the property and in the weather throughout the past week. I missed eight days. So anyway, here I am, and now I'm back to making videos again full time. So nothing has happened in between, really, except for with the weather. There has been a lot of melting. We had another bit of snow, and we had some more melting. Now we're into a bit of a cold period. So I can't talk to you about anything right now because YouTube is in overdrive censoring certain words. So I can't tell you about anything about the what's been going on outside the homestead at all. But I'm sure you guys are all up on that anyway. So here I am, and well, I've got a lot to catch up on here. I had big plans for the property this past week. I had a lot of videos laid out that I was going to do, and exciting plans, and well, here we are, making another new start. We are shutting down we're boxing up our store and preparing to get the stuff moved into our storage shed on the homestead. I must make that clear. We are not going to have the general public running in and out of our storage shed on our homestead. We are not, what do you call it? We're not zoned for that. We're not zoned for that. It's a residential, I think it's something like rare use residential. I forgot what it was. But it's a low-level residential area where there's mostly just cabins. As you can see, there's nothing here except for some cabins that are not used. Somebody was in there once ever in the 3 years we've lived there. That's nice. That's why we moved to this area. So low density that's it. Low density residential. That's it. Anyway, so just starting to get ready to move our stuff here. I didn't even get it leveled. Like the last day I showed you the last video I did was the last thing I did. That was it. That was the absolute, when I was sitting here looking at that shed saying, well, it's going to be a beautiful weekend. I'm going to get out here and level this shed. And there it sits. So this weekend is going to be a beautiful weekend, and I hope I'm going to get out there and level this shed. Actually, today is Saturday, so most of the weekend is halfway over. Sunday and Monday is going to be better weather. Anyway, we'll see about that. But yeah, anyway, so we're not zoned for commercial. We're not going to try to make a commercial industry out of our homestead, and we don't want people walking all over or driving all over our property. So I hope that clears that up. That's going to be food storage for a grocery store and Melanie's little craft shop. She can work out there. And because I've got my shops, now Melanie's got her shop, a bigger shop, to make up for the fact that I have two. She has one. Hers is really big. And that's where she's going to have her place, all her own, heated and probably air conditioned. So we'll see what the necessity is, but we'll probably insulate it too. And she'll have a nice place for herself. Anyway, I am going to start making videos every day again, like I was going to start a week ago. So that's just a little brief update from me here. We went out to get some groceries, and there were none to be got. So, good thing we're preppers. We're homesteaders and we're preppers first and foremost. So, we're good to go no matter what comes our way. And I'm very, very thankful for that. And going to start growing food. We did start some seeds. I'll probably get to that for Monday or so. And we got some seeds started here and there, and we'll show you all what's been going on and give you some updates. So, anyway, here I am. Talk to you all later. Watch for all the videos to come. Let's try from the do-it-yourself world and the off-grid project.